Hello friends, I welcome you to this particular session on powerful techniques to improve concentration. My name is Chinmay Kamath and I will take you through various techniques which will help you through focus in professional as well as academic life. What is concentration? Concentration is nothing but focus on a particular activity or task so that our mind does not wander. There are several concepts or aspects which are related to concentration, like memory, like the concept of using a single task or performing a single task at a single time. Let us now see what are the objectives of concentration. Concentration has several benefits and advantages if you are able to master this technique. In this particular session, I will take you through those very techniques which would help you to understand this aspect of concentration and to put it to best use. Let us now turn to the next slide where we have the objectives of this particular program. There are several points which are mentioned here. So what I will do is I will make you understand each point before we go ahead. The very first objective here is the objective of improving the concentration, which is needless to say the crux or the major objective of this program. Now, by improving our concentration, what would happen? Once we are able to improve the concentration, it would enable us to effectively save time and efforts. Now, how is this so? Let us take an example of you students studying for the Wellingers distance learning program for the examination. Imagine you are studying for the exams and it is difficult for you to concentrate. What would result? It would result in a waste of time and efforts. What would be the results if you were able to concentrate in a better manner? What would happen? The result would be the exact opposite of what has happened in the first instance. You would be able to save a lot of time, effort, and you would definitely be able to procure much better percentage, and you would be able to grasp much more from the given topic and use it in your professional life. I hope we all agree to this particular sentence. The other objective is to make you understand this particular concept so that it can work well for you. Hence, we are going to describe what is concentration and what is focused attention. Finally, we are also going to look at concentration as the ability to direct the attention to one single thought or one single subject to the exclusion of everything else. In today's world, there are a lot of distractions which are there when somebody needs to concentrate. Examples are pretty simple or real life which you can associate with. Examples like the phone ringing when you are in the process of learning or studying, the television sound if you are sitting in the drawing room and studying, and several other noises which can create or cause disturbances. Nowadays we have too packed a schedule, hence there is also a chance that our mind wanders to other activities and we think of multitasking, which is the process of performing two or more tasks in the same given amount of time. This leads to lack of concentration or lack of focus. A very important story which can be related in terms of focus and concentration is that of the character Arjun from Mahabharata. As we all know, there are two instances in which Arjun has proved to be an excellent example of how concentration works well for a person. In the first example, on being asked by Dronacharya, "What do you see?" a lot of students answered vaguely, stating they see a tree, they see mangoes, they see birds, but Arjun was the only person to pinpoint and specifically state one single object on which he concentrated, and later he aimed at and got the result. The same thing happened where he won Draupadi when he was able to concentrate on the eye of the fish. This is the power of concentration. It is said that Swami Vivekananda used to have a photographic memory. Whatever he read once used to always be assimilated in a very good manner. This happened due to the power of concentration or focus. Now, after having understood the foundation for this particular program, let us look at the benefits of this program before we move into the nitty-gritties of this particular program. The very first benefit that we have here is that of improved control over or of our thoughts. This is very important in today's world, which, as I have earlier stated, is full of distractions. Hence, if you want to succeed in a particular task and provide efficiency and effectiveness in that particular task, you need to control your thoughts. Here, concentration plays a major role. The ability to focus your mind so that you save time and effort in studies or at office is another benefit. Imagine how happy you would be or how relaxed you would be if you were able to save a lot of time spent on studies otherwise. If you focus well using certain techniques which we can discuss in this program, you can easily attain better results both in your academic as well as your professional careers.